Hey guys, it's Erin. Welcome back to cutepolish. Today I'm going to show you how to paint floral nails perfectly. Once your base color is completely dry, grab a dotting tool. These are easy to find online, or you can also use another household item as your own dotting tool, like a bobby pin or the cap of a pen. Dip your dotting tool into the color you want your flowers to be. I chose this light purple. Then use the dotting tool to place your flowers wherever you want them on your nail. I think it creates a more interesting design when you place a few flowers of different sizes together. The good thing about creating these dots for the flowers is that flowers aren't perfectly circular, so these shouldn't be either. Move your dotting tool around a bit to make the edges a bit more irregular and natural looking. Once the base dots of your flowers are completely dry, grab a small nail art detail brush. This is one that I've also trimmed down the bristles on, so it's very thin and I have a lot of precision. Then you want to take a nail polish color for your leaves. I chose a dark teal, and you want to basically create these leaf or teardrop shapes coming off of some of the flowers. Where you place the leaves and how many you add is totally up to you. I just like to use this as a way to fill in any empty spaces and make the design look balanced. I'm only taking a little bit of polish on the brush at a time so the leaves aren't too big, and adding them in between the flowers or in the corners of my nail where I couldn't fit another flower. Once my leaves are done, it's time to go back to the flowers and add some more dimension. Take a darker shade of the base color you used, so for me I'm using a darker purple, and start painting some irregular semicircle strokes inside each flower. Sometimes it helps to start from the center and work your way out, or vice versa. My advice is to just go slowly, don't make the lines too long, and try not to be too exact. Remember, every flower is different, which is what makes it easier to create a realistic looking floral design. These little lines of the darker color are adding dimension to the flower by creating the look of the petals. Feel free to play around with the placement of your lines. For example, starting your circles in the middle will make it look like you're looking directly down at the flower, or you could put the center of your flower more to the side to make it look like the flower is pointing in another direction. So as you can see, for this flower, I started on the outside going in. I defined the edges of the flower with some petal shapes first, so it's totally up to you what you find easier and you like the look of more. Once you've painted all of the petals on all of your flowers, give it some time to dry completely again. Then seal in your design and smooth out the nail with a coat of glossy top coat. And that's it! I love painting florals because they're actually a lot easier to do than they seem, and they always look so impressive and beautiful. It's one of my favorite designs to do. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you want to see more from cutepolish, you can click the boxes here, or click the circle here to subscribe to cutepolish for a new video every week. You can also subscribe to my personal nail channel by clicking the circle here.